what we're working on today, guys. We're going to be working on a tiller. And what we're going to do, a lot of your bigger tillers have got side pieces here that move up and down with the ground depending on how deep you got your tiller set, because all this thing does is throw the dirt out the side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put me some metal in here, have some pipe coming out here so I can make a pivot. I'm going to use this as a pattern. And I'm going to shape it down, back around and up. When it gets done, it should pivot to the depth of the ground. I'm going to have it connected here at the back with a rod so they'll do it evenly. I think it'll be better than what it is. We're going to find out. Tried to weld my flap here, and man, that stuff's thin. But I got it welded better than what it was. Now let me take my little mud dirt guard off here. What we're going to end up doing here, cut a piece of 1 inch and a 1.5 inch angle iron, 1/8 of an inch thick. A whole lot heavier than that stuff. That stuff's already bent once. And what we're going to do, bolt that on here under the bottom of it. Like that. And then I'm going to take a 1/2 inch piece of rebar and weld in there like that. And that's going to let my my metal on the sides pivot. That'll work. That'll work great. Yeah, let's see what we can do with it here. I took a 1/2 inch drill bit. Drill my hole in there, that'll give me my pivot point. Now I'll take a pencil. Trace along the edge of it here. Yeah, I'm sitting on my tines. I want to make sure I'm on my tines. Just an old Velcro strap here. Trying to judge my distance here. Get close right there. I think I can make that work. I got a knife. That should work. That should pivot up and down with the ground. And like I say, I'm going to have a rod that's going to connect across this top to my other piece. And just however deep it is, that'll be how that'll sit.